All right, so we got gold just kind of hanging out today, consolidating inside Wednesday's range, which was a down day from the this week's high and a record high. But before we go further, a quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by XNES, the world's largest retail broker, offering ultra-fast execution with no overnight fees. Find a link in the description below. This is Bruce for FXEmpire taking a look at the daily chart for gold. So a couple of things we want to be aware of. Number one, gold hit this top potential resistance zone that was previously discussed. That goes all the way up to 3,812 or so and includes five different targets, basically, from various measurements and indicators, including the measuring objective from the symmetrical triangle and the measured move from the, we could say, the pull that preceded the consolidation and some Fibonacci and so on and so forth. So this is an area where more significant resistance might logically be seen, but we don't know yet. So we have to wait and see. At a minimum, though, it wouldn't be surprising to see a pullback to test support at the 10-period moving average at 3,699 again, since it was tested recently back here a couple times successfully as support. Anyway, it is the first line of defense, we could say, on the downside. If it is decisively broken to the downside, then the purple 20 becomes the next target at 3,634, and then a 38.2% Fibonacci retracement. More details are discussed in today's article with the link below. A couple other things to be aware of. Let's just go out a little bit. We can see that there's a rising parallel trend channel. If we take this lower trend line, bring it up to the top, connect this high up here, and it gets extended. It's confirmed right here. False breakout right here. It is one of a couple different places, by the way, you could put that. But what's interesting is it does line up with the recent highs here. So it gives us another line saying, hey, yeah, maybe this is a potential resistance zone that might hold for a bit of a pullback. And on top of that, there is bearish divergence with the relative strength index down here because we now have a lower swing high. Nevertheless, keep in mind that going back to the reset on this scaling, if we look at this, you can see how the top of the zone at 3,812 could be reached while gold continued to stay below this rising top channel line, and that would then create like a rising consolidation, a small consolidation pattern. So that's also a possibility what can occur. All right, that is it for gold traders. Have a great Friday.